In a world where technology is constantly evolving, it's no surprise that we find ourselves surrounded by an array of gadgets that range from practical to downright crazy. These gadgets not only make our lives more convenient, but also add a touch of excitement to our daily routines. If you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some fun and innovative additions to your life, then you are at the right place, as here are 10 crazy gadgets you should consider buying today. So if you're ready to unleash your inner tech connoisseur, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into the wild world of tech. Number 1. Cyber Shoes. Cyber Shoes are a popular foot controller for FPS, open world, adventure, riddle, and social games. The Cyber Shoes are strapped directly onto your feet, and as you are seated in a swivel bar stool, you're ready to begin your VR adventure. The Cyber Shoes are compatible with many VR games and function with Steam VR, the HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, the Quest via Oculus Link, Virtual Desktop and Oculus Store games, Windows Mixed Reality, and Pimax. With the Cyber Shoes at your feet, all of your moments are controlled by your own physical movement, so you can walk your VR adventure as if you were actually there. Number 2. Moxie. Let superior sound wash over you, with the Moxie showerhead and wireless speaker combining a luxurious spray with a best-in-class high-quality audio speaker with sound. Easily gear up or wind down with the perfect soundtrack or your favorite podcast. It combines a waterproof battery-powered Bluetooth speaker and an otherwise ordinary showerhead. Plus, the speaker is easily removed, so you can bring it wherever you want to go, to the beach, a picnic, or just lounging in your backyard. Number 3. Aura Drone with Glove Controller. The Aura Drone is a telekinetic, gesture-controlled toy drone. Eliminate the frustration of traditional joystick controllers and start the fun right out of the box with an easier new way to fly. Wearing a special gesture robotics glove controller lets kids pilot the drone by simply moving their hands, just like a superhero. Kids can fly Aura up and down, forward and backward, left and right, and even perform cool tricks like a sideways flip-all with just a few hand motions. Auto takeoff and auto landing features get kids airborne faster and ensure a safe landing. Aura includes a safety outer frame for added protection, offering fun and safe indoor play. Number 4. Spectrums. Sphero Spectrums are app-enabled music rings that make the world your instrument by turning colors into sounds. Connect to the Spectrums Mix or Edu app and tap on anything, your clothes, drawings, or the included playing pad to create and mix sounds, beats, and loops that all play through your mobile device. Jam on your own or with friends, anytime and anywhere. Built with sleek technology including an accelerometer, light sensor, and Bluetooth low-energy connectivity, Spectrums rings provide an accessible, portable, and tactile way to discover music creation without spending money on expensive singular instruments. The Mix app provides curated sound packs that allow you to mix and produce entire songs with the tap of your finger. You can also connect Spectrums to any other music software that accepts Bluetooth MIDI, such as GarageBand and Ableton Live. All skill levels, from curious-minded kids to seasoned musicians, can create their own masterpieces with hundreds of instruments, loops, and sounds. Number 5. Luminoodle. Whether you are camping, biking, or doing handiwork, the Luminoodle provides a bright, spread-out light to see your surroundings. It is flexible, waterproof, and powered by any USB battery or power source. The Luminoodle comes with universal ties, embedded magnets, utility loop, and a lantern bag so you can stick, strap, hook, or hang it to add light to your night. The Luminoodle serves all your camping light needs. String it up or stuff it into the included lantern bag to get perfect tent or campsite lighting. No need for a headlamp when you can carry, hang, stick, or string 180 lumens of light anywhere. This waterproof outdoor LED lighting setup ensures you are always well lit. Luminoodle is more than a generic lantern because it gives you the flexibility of having both a lantern and a string light in just one lightweight product that works with any USB power source. Number 6. Flight Life. The Life Planter is a zero-gravity growing system allowing you to cultivate your favorite plants in mid-air. Life consists of a planter that hovers over an oak base via magnetic levitation, designed to gently rotate during suspension. The rotation especially benefits air plants, as nutrients are absorbed by their leaves through the air, rather than the conventional root system. The Life Reservoir is designed to mitigate against overwatering. A cleverly designed drainage system allows water to escape to a hidden inner reservoir. The Life Magnet is where the magic happens. The custom-shaped magnet pushes up against an electromagnetic base, causing the planter to levitate in mid-air, lifting your life to new dimensions. Ideally suited for air plants, but anything up to 8.8 ounces total can be planted. 6-inch square base x 1.5-inch height. Number 7. Weatherman Umbrella. The Weatherman Smart Umbrella is a real product because why the hell not? As this umbrella is paired with the Pebblebee Bluetooth tracker to detect the forecast. It gives you alerts when you need to take your umbrella along, because weather predictions are 100% right all the time. Regardless, this umbrella checks the weather and stops rainwater from touching your skin and fancy suit. Compared to any run-of-the-mill umbrella, Weathermans are made from a Teflon-coated fabric that dries quickly and repels water, and its canopies are designed to withstand winds up to 55 miles per hour. They have fiberglass ribs and are backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can be confident that they'll hold up over time. Number 8. Flame Cube. Flame Cube is an ultra-compact, lightweight, foldable pocket wood stove. Not only helps you cook, boil water, keep warm during any outdoors adventure, but also can magically turn fire into electricity to charge your phone and other USB devices for emergencies. Durable stainless steel construction, beautiful design, powerful, high efficiency, emergency power generation, environmentally friendly, lightweight to carry, and easy to use. This is the perfect all-rounder. It is very convenient for you to use the portable camping stove. The wood-burning stove is suitable for outdoor camping, hiking, backpacking, and picnic. It can also be used as a portable fire pot to meet your various needs. Number 9. Below 2.0. This is a tiny, wearable personal body cooling system. This little wearable cooling device is yours to beat the summer heat. The Below is the lightweight and portable device that keeps you cool on the go. It automatically senses and regulates your body temperature. You can comfortably wear it while playing sports, on an island vacation, or even just to a friend's BBQ. This device has the functionalities of both fan and air conditioner. The air passes through a vacuum-like chamber that contains peppermint oil. That essential oil helps create a stronger cooling sensation, and also can cool down your body faster than with just a fan alone. Number 10. Anope Cooling Pad Holder. This gadget works on the principle of semiconductor refrigeration, with a semiconductor refrigeration silicon pad as a heat transfer tool. When the mobile phone cooling pad starts to work, it converts the electric energy into heat energy, and then converts it into cold energy through the silicon pad, thereby achieving the purpose of cooling the phone. The pad cools the phone in a short time when playing a game, using TikTok, reading novels, or watching TV drama programs, enabling the performance of the mobile phone CPU to stay stable so that phone users can get a better experience. And there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of the craziest gadgets you should consider buying today. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this tech-tastic journey. And if you don't want to miss out on our future gadget explorations, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have that notification bell ringing loud and clear.